So, we were,
Hindi na
we
ko,
were,
sorry.
we were actually very, ano nga yung tawag nun? Yung excited. Kasi, tapos yung iba pa nga na Star Trek.
Na-overwhelmed kami sa mga,
Oo.
kala namin yung na-meet namin yung mga tops leaders. Oh my God, akala namin matetense kami. Pero they're very so humble. Napaka, nila, like,
Yeah,
parang
very.
silang outgoing din. Like, oh, come on, let's
Very
take a
fun.
picture.
Sila pa nga yung lumalapit sa amin eh.
Oo.
And so, kaya nga na ano kami, we're very blessed din dito sa business namin kasi everybody in the community, we are in a different level right now. May iba dyan na kasimula lang, and may iba din na they're been in the business for 5-8 years. So, pero yung level, kahit iba-iba kaming level and status sa buhay namin, ang pinakaano ko doon is yun nga, yung parang hindi ka, parang ina-welcome ka talaga.
Yeah, very welcome.
They're letting you know that, you don't have to be embarrassed or shy sa mga ganyan nila. So, yung ano mo, Ana, what was the best part para sa iyo yung ano natin?
Yun yung mga nakikipag-picture ako sa mga leaders. Kasi imagine like, pag yung I was in the nursing industry, of course, meron kami mga top leaders there, parang pag nagtetest, pag kausap mo sila, parang you have to be like, oh, we have to be, behave, kanakating. Pero yung sa business online namin, yung mga top leaders namin, they're like outgoing. They're very, very like humble talaga sila. They will let you take pictures kahit saan man yung ginagawa mo. Oh, can I take a picture? Sure. Why not? Yeah. So yan yung sa picture natin. Yung sa Christmas party. Yeah. So, yun, I like it. Like, parang yung mga tao, kahit na sabihin nating marami na silang
mga millionaires
na sila, hindi sila yung parang binababa ka, yung parang they look you down. Pero hindi, they're like very, yung talagang, ang tawag nito, ipupush up ka talaga nila. Yan, that was lahat kami dyan.
Nagsasayawan. So, yun na nga, yung ako din, I come from a corporate background din.
Yeah.
So, yung yung dati kong work kasi, it's a big company here in Canada. So, parang na-feel ko din yung mga ganyan na, alam nyo, yung when every time they plan na yung mga CEO namin and whatnot is coming to visit, parang talagang lahat natataranta. They're all like,
kita nyo ba? Yan.
yung parang kailangan na
Na parang,
kami.
wow, they can hold your hands parang talaga. Pag-akbay pa. Or sometimes they will ask you, yung si Coach Mildred, like, oh, did we take this picture?
Yeah.
I was like, oh yes. Oh, wala pa. Naka-akbay na siya. I was like, what? That was so cool. Yeah, go ahead. Yung yung
yun na
experience
nga,
mo.
parang ako naman, I mean, in this business community, actually, first time ko din yung iba na na-meet, especially yung namin, yung CEO ng company namin. So, at first talaga nahiya ako. Ako pa yung nahiya. And then, sila naman yung, they always call you, like, and they wanna talk to you, parang ganyan. So, parang talagang, na ako, parang I have
They
this
make you
like,
special talaga.
parang na Star Trek, parang ganyan.
So, and then they're like handsome.
Yeah. So, ang ano ko naman doon is like, yun na nga, like, doon ko na feel na, how grateful I am because, kahit yung mga tao, we are in different level nga, yung sabi ko at first. Pero yung, alam mo yung in the end, parang kayo pa rin, ka-level mo lang sila, parang gano'n. They don't make you feel like, they're higher than you, parang ganyan.
So, saan ka, let's say, nandito ka sa baba, nandito sila, pinapantay-pantay lang talaga.
Yeah.
So, ayun ang gusto ko, like, like they don't put you down or they don't look you down at all. Like,
Yeah. So, and hindi namin nakalain na gaano ka this business is, how big is it, like it's, and we know na it's global, pero pag nakita mo yung party nga namin is just within our areas, pero ang dami namin. Also, the best part about this, kasi kahit marami kami, yung bang alam mo yung nagtutulungan, you know, that's the biggest thing din na nakuha ko dito sa business namin, because everybody is helping each other.
Yeah.
And then kahit ibang team ka, mga ganyan,
Oh.
in the end of the day, parang one big family lang kayo.
Yeah.
So that's what they always tells us to, na yung iano natin, they always encourage us to, yun, if you need help, you ask for help. If you have questions, ask. So maybe someone can give the answer, right? So
Yeah.
yun yung the best part nito. And of course, we have had help many people na. And then,
Thousand
yeah,
na kaming lahat.
about,
Thousands.
yes. Right now, sa ano lang nga, sa US and Canada, we have about 250,000 in our business community. So, we are also excited for next year kasi we have a big convention.
Coming up.
Yes, so
Oh my
next year sa San Diego naman to.
So that means not like just US, but it's all over
Yeah.
the country talaga.
This
to.
is when the thousands of people will come.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Mayroong mga pinaka head namin darating.
Yes.
Para CEO.
Yung yun din sa
So let's
affiliated namin.
what do you think of Mike and Darren?
Oh, yeah. So they
Kasi
are
meron kami
the
this- kung sino, yeah.
they are the CEO of our
The founder,
company.
yeah.
The founder of our company, the system. So, my take ko din sa kanila is, yun, very din sila, very humble people,
Uh-huh.
na talagang, you know, they make you feel like, din, yung parang, they're so open, parang ganun, na very welcoming yung pagka-take ko sa kanila.
Kahit na magpapapicture ka lang, they're gonna let you, take picture no matter kahit gaano kami karami. Like 1,000 na
Yes.
kami or something. They're still standing there patiently. Then, lahat kami nagpapapicture kasi syempre, hindi ka makastartup na. Nakakaano yun, no? Di ba? So, tsaka nakikita namin sila all the time sa online. Kasi sila yung nag-train sa amin din. Yung sa, namin, sa training namin.
Sa ongoing training namin.
Yeah, sa ongoing
na
training.
we do it every week.
Mhm.
So, yun na nga. Ang iba doon, we met them through our trainings, yung meetings,
Makikita niyo.
online meetings. So, para sa akin naman, most of them are yung parang yung mga big leaders namin is the first time ko sila na-meet. So, doon ko din nakita na ano pala yung they're just an ordinary people din na parang yun na nga, they're not arrogant, they're not maarte. Yung alam mo yung parang they also treat you like a family, parang ganyan.
That's true. The family, yeah. Yun ang word. Diba, i-compare mo nga yung sa business, sa work mo before, at saka sa, of course, yung na-mention mo na yung kay yung sa work mo, yung mga head.
Yung sa
Mga
work ko
head mo.
dati, I also, because I
Diba?
work in like I said, in a corporate, and then this is one of the biggest company here in Canada.
Yeah.
I did meet, kasi yung position ko is I'm one of the management position na din ako, I was able to meet the CEO and the owner actually ng company namin. However, parang iba yung feeling mo na, you know, like you have that, parang kang, ano ba yung tawag nun, na you feel like,
Parang natetest ka.
yeah,
Yung
parang
ganon.
you're stressed, parang kang natakot, and then it took us like, once we found out na magbe-visit yung namin, they always give us like a whole week na parang to prepare, parang ganun. You have to be ready kasi ganyan. And they
It has
always,
to be
yeah.
neat, like
Yes,
clean,
like,
everything.
parang gusto nila lahat perfect and all that. And then, although yung kahit yung CEO namin sa dati kong work, he's also a nice person, pero alam mo yung parang you really see that yung parang doon siya, like he's your boss, like
Hindi
parang
kayo
ganun.
naka-level.
Hindi kayo, yun, hindi kami level. You
Parang
cannot even
hindi
parang,
na, they put you parang down na rin, diba?
hindi naman down, but alam mo yung, like, you have to be professional, kumbaga. You
Okay.
cannot make joke with them or something like that. Parang,
Yeah.
alam mo,
Parang
yung serious
strict
sila.
naman yan,
Oo,
strict.
oo. So, parang every time, like, once a year sa dati kong job, I've been in this same job for like over 10 years. And then, every year, mayroon kaming parang visit, yung ganong tawag nila. So, parang every year, parang na ako, parang may something trauma na din ako na, by this time, kailangan tayong ganyan. So, yun
Dress
na,
up nice,
yeah,
ganyan.
na-surprise lang ako dahil kahit nga nagpa-party kami dati sa business, sa work ko, it still have to be like parang formal ka, parang
Yeah.
professional ka, parang ganyan pa rin. Whereas dito, na-surprise naman ako dahil yung para bang,
Kahit anong suot, like yung sa summer nga, yung sa Spanish back, yung na-meet ko sila sa wala ka nun eh.
yeah, wala ako.
So, Beverly's first time niya.
Yeah.
Yung na-meet ko yun sila sa first time sa beach. Naka lang sila, naka short or whatsoever.
Mhm.
Like, we're all like parang family na hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Like, matetense ka ba? Pero hindi. They're like very, very, very like outgoing. They even like parang sasayawan. Yung
Yeah.
Parang makikisayaw sila, kung ano mga games na mga Filipino, nakiki-join din sila. Parang, that was super cute. Like, yung mga ganon. So, kahit na millionaires na sila or something. So, yeah, so keep going.
Yes. So, isa nito is I know that a lot of you are asking na ano ba talaga yung business? Ano ba yung pinagkwentuhan namin ngayon na we're very proud of it
Yeah.
and very grateful kasi talaga for me it's a blessing.
Mhm.
So, itong business na to actually, it's an online business, yes, but we are affiliated company.
Mhm.
So, kumbaga, meron kaming isang malaking company din na dinadala. And the affiliated company is actually been in the business for 51 years. So, ganun ano na yung business namin.
Yeah.
Katagal. 51 years, akalain nyo.
Mhm.
And with that years, they have helped millions of people around the world, like globally. Not just about financial,
Yeah.
pero pati na din sa lifestyle and health, wellness. So, etong business din nito, we don't do selling.
Yeah, that's true.
Yung business kasi namin, it's a marketing, online marketing to. Kumbaga, yung ginagawa namin, fixed na yung system namin, and then in the same time, kami yung parang 10% doon sa fixed system, kami yung nagra-run.
Yeah.
So,
Pero very easy. It's
very
not like
easy. Yes.
it's not like ikaw na you know usually mga traditional business, do you have to like sell talaga ng mga products.
Yeah.
But this time you don't have to do that. Like very it's already the system is already proven and it's already set up for you. So yun ang di ba?
Yeah. So, and
ano
then,
pa,
the best, ano din namin ito, yung take ko dito din, na, why is it easy for me? Hindi ako, hindi ako techie na tao.
Me too.
I'm more on like people person, kasi yung dati kong work is, I'm an insert trainer, so, basically, for me, it's more on like, servicing people, like training them.
Yeah.
Hindi ako yung palang nasa computer lang, I don't do that work. Anyway, ang pinakaano ko dito is, ang madali siyang, it's so easy to, understand everything. And like I said, na every week din, meron din kaming mga, yung parang, kumbaga, weekly trainings. So, yung parang short trainings and whatnot. And sa kalaki ng community namin, if you need help, if you have questions, they will give you kung saan ka pwedeng magtanong, kung sinong pwedeng magtutulong sa'yo. So, and everybody,
Marami talaga kami mga
yeah.
coaches and mentors. Not only within our team, it's
Like,
global, like
yes.
somewhere else too, like kahit sa United States, sa Australia, ano pa ba?
Around the
Ireland,
world.
Around the world talaga.
Yeah, globally.
So it's, sometimes you will get some tips from the other person and the other, at least ipag-combine mo, ipagsasama mo talaga. And yeah, that's true. I'm not a tech savvy also. I just learned when you see my Facebook. I just learned from the tips from others. Yung mga kung ano-ano yung mga nakikita nyo sa Facebook ko, I just learned. Like, tapos tinuturuan ko siya, tinuturuan niya ako. I'm like, give and take. Kahit
And
na,
then,
yeah.
Aside
Awesome.
from the two of us, marami
Din
pa rin
kami tinuruan.
Yeah,
Ni-share
marami
namin
din
yung
silang nagtuturo
ka-team
sa amin.
namin.
Yeah.
We share.
Yeah.
Hindi kami madamot,
Kaya nga, itong business na to din, it's not MLM.
Yeah. And
or
it's not a pyramid.
pyramid. Kasi yung nakaiba namin, we don't take people out. We don't also go over some other people. Instead, we build the people.
Yeah, we building
So
helping talaga.
So and then yung promote namin is normally we encourage everyone. It doesn't matter which team are you or saan ka sa mundo.
Yeah.
If you come to any of us sa whole business community, someone will actually really stand out and help you with it. So yun yung natin.
Yung pyramid kasi, explain natin yung pyramid. Di ba? Yung whoever sa top, siya lang makakuha ng
most of the
Or
time.
yung sa amin, hindi eh. Everyone can gets. Like, kung saan ka man level o baba ka man lang o down, like, everybody can At saka, wherever meron kami, we share sa mga downline namin. We help each other. So, yeah.
And then, isa din yung yung sinabi nga nila dati, yung MLM, kasi yung mangyayari, like, one will build up a team dito, and then yung nasa upline mo, kumbaga, siya yung kukuha sa isang parang na-build up mo na.
Yeah.
And, yes, it's true, kasi I've been to that way before, like years
I
ago.
remember. Oh my God.
We're not gonna say the company, but
okay.
yeah.
Yeah, yun.
And
Tapos sinama pa niya ako.
Na-scam kami. Na-scam kami kasi ang nangyari noon,
Ito kasi.
we did a lot of work. Yung effort namin, lahat-lahat, and I even spent so much time na para lang to build
you have
yung
to sell
team mo.
pa.
Pero hindi nila sinabi sa amin na once you build certain team, kukunin pala nila. Parang ganun, yung kukunin pala ng director mo or whatever.
So
yung
that's
upline mo.
MLM, right?
Yeah.
MLM.
So doon ako na I was so crushed nung nalaman ko na after all the years of building this, parang ako yung nagwo-work para sa kanya. And then suddenly, sasabihin lang niya na, oh, by the way, once you get to this level, I'll take all your mga tao mo sa team mo, and then you have to build another one para daw mag-level up na naman ako. So, yun yung sa
Yeah, pero dito hindi. Iba talaga.
No one will take your people, no one will take your team.
And
Instead,
then, yung
they will help you more.
Yung investment mo na yan, still, there.
Sa'yo yun.
Hindi mawawala.
Yes.
Like,
Sa'yo yun.
Sa'yo pa rin yun.
And actually, itong business na to, actually, the best part about this then, kasi later on then, if you have kids or you have, kahit yung, immediate family mo, you can pass this on as a legacy.
Yeah.
So, yun yung...
Anybody legacy, legacy. Yung mga anak mo,
Yes.
18 and above,
Yes.
you will pass it on. So, Sa mga anak ko, maliliit pa, later on,
May time
na
pa.
sa kanila. May time pa ako. It's okay.
Yeah.
If it's not them, then I can give it to my brother and sisters, whoever, mga
Yeah.
loved ones, whoever. My husband, for sure.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, yun yung ano dito, yung nakaiba sa amin sa ibang mga
100%
online business.
legitimate talaga to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, of course, yes. Isa din yan. Mayroong nagsasabi, ano ba yan? Scam yan. Hindi
Yeah.
po to scam kasi first of all,
Nagbabayad kami ng
nagtatax
tax.
din kami. Natax din kami. I'm not sure which country are you, pero kami po sa Canada, we do have our yearly tax.
Yeah.
So, yes, natax din kami nito. However, the best part dito kasi maka-write off ka.
Right. Oh, yes.
Yun yung mga ano,
lahat ng mga devices nyo, mara-write off nyo. Kahit yung bahay or yung mga utilities portion lang.
ng
Or yung
mortgage
something
mo.
for your related to work.
Yes.
Yung talaga, hindi the
Or
whole.
even yung travel.
Mm.
Portion ng travel na anytime you go out to travel kasi
or
yun na
restaurants.
yes.
Basta that's part of the attraction.
Kahit
attraction
damit
market.
po kasi
Yeah,
yung
mga gown namin, not gown, mga dress sa party. Yeah, we need,
and
that's a
even
write-off also.
yeah, even yung damit namin na binibili for the business kasi yun na nga, yung
Yung mga
main-
ganito, mga gadgets.
yeah, yun,
Yeah.
mga write-offs yan. When you buy a car, a property, yun din, mga malalaki. Kaya nga yung mga big leaders namin na ngayon na they're earning like 7 figures, mga ganyan, 6 figures, 7 figures, yung ginagawa na nila is they reinvest it with using properties,
Yeah.
yung mga ganyan, mga lalaking
Very
mga
smart. Yeah.
mga lalaking mga purchases na. Because then also that you can also use it for a tax write-off. So yun din, isa din na nagpapatunay na our business is actually legit.
Legit. Yeah.
And then we also have a legit business owner license. So kaya isa din yan. So hindi nyo masasabi na ano lang yan, under the table, ang
Oh, yeah,
ganyan,
scamming
mga
or
scam
I
yan,
mean-
or fraud. Yeah, kasi meron din kaming license po. Once you decide to join in this business, or kahit mag-inquire kayo, or you guys go to our website, tapos,
90 minutes lang for the webinar. Like the website. Oh, wait. Tama,
Yeah,
your website.
yung free
my
webinar.
website, free webinar.
Yeah.
So 90 minutes to see if it's fit for you.
yeah.
But if not, we don't force.
Yeah.
It's totally
then-
up to you. You know, if you wanna continue to next step, you wanna learn more kung ano talaga tong mga products na to or mga ano ba to? Mga
Anong
mga
company namin?
company namin, they will tell you everything there. We don't keep secrets actually. We share everything in there. Once you know, like step 1 first, and then step 2, and then 3, and then so and so on. So
and
it's easy.
yes, and then
And
after
I'll-
that,
Wait, yung skeptical. I was skeptical before from the beginning. Nung nakita ko yung sa mga ads. Oh yeah, na-skeptical, na very skeptical ako kasi parang good to be true, right? Yung
Yeah.
mga ganon. So I was like, maybe I'll check again. And then naranaran naman ng ads, nakikita ko na naman, parang this is for me. Parang na-feel ko yung instinct ko is parang, yeah, it's for me talaga to. Tapos, ayun, ikaw, paano mo nalaman?
gaano ako ka-skeptical? Kasi I let her go first.
Gaga, nalaman ko sa'yo na
sabi ko sa kanya, you go first, then if it's good,
no,
then I'll go in.
Nalaman ko na hindi na siya maka-work. Oh, yan, doon ako na,
Oh, yeah.
I'll share with you my opportunity, the opportunity. So,
Pero yun nga,
na-
ganun ako ka-skeptical din na nung
skeptical siya sa sabi niya sa akin.
nagsasalita siya sa
Ano ba
akin.
yan? Scam ba yan?
Yeah.
Do I look like I'm a scammer to you? Do I look like a scammer to you?
Yun na nga yung sabi ko na, mauna ka muna, and then if it works for you, then yeah, maybe I'll check it out. Pero actually, nakita ko naman na, ang ganda pala nito, even like yung, hindi lang sa, yung system, kasi, ay, doable sa akin. I
Yeah.
mean, like, right now, kasi nga, yung din sabi niya na, dahil sa accident nasa car accident ko, I'm really limited right now, physically, and kahit yung mental ko
Mentally,
minsan,
yeah.
yeah. So, nung ni-mention ni Ana sa akin na, oh, eto, check mo to, ganyan, ganyan. Sabi ko, nako,
Pero
parang,
hindi ko sinabi yung sa kanya
Yeah.
everything. Yung, tinan mo, hindi niya, alam mo, hindi siya pumunta sa webinar. Diretso na sa second, step 2 actually. To be honest,
Yeah.
step 2, I'm like,
Yung-
okay, that's good. That's good for me already. Step 2 already.
kasi pumasok na siya, so sabi ko, okay, I'll go into. So, but actually, the best part, kasi yun na nga, yung step 2 din, okay, so yung step 2 is, ito is the initial investment.
Yeah.
Dito, syempre, nothing is free right now in,
Oh, yes.
in this time, wala na.
No free.
Wala
Pero
na
ano
free.
lang to, investment,
Pero,
yeah.
ito siya, yung initial investment nyo is just to make sure to, this is like your key to open the whole information about the company, about our business community.
Yeah.
So, with this too, kasi nga sabi naman natin na, and we all know na this is not for everybody talaga. That's the real fact, right? Na hindi lahat ng tao na maybe they're not the same mindset as we do.
Yeah.
Pero the best part nito is because it's a 30 days money
Money back.
back
Yeah.
guaranteed.
Guaranteed.
So-
Refundable, 30 days only.
Yeah. So,
Mhm.
kung once na nasa step 2 na kayo, doon yan makikita lahat. This will give you the information on how you earn. Merong mga iba-ibang strategies. Merong iba-ibang income stream nitong business namin.
Yeah.
So, also, like I said, what is actually the affiliated company under the initial investment.
Mhm.
And then when you decide to continue, or you're gonna be like us with a business mindset, or yun nga, sabi ko,
Kahit na walang business-minded, everybody talaga
Yeah.
will welcome. Kahit wala kang experience as a business, or kahit anong trabaho mo, let's say, for example, nag-nurse ka, wala kang business background, it's okay kasi we have a step-by-step training.
So,
Yeah.
yun. And then, with that initial investment, it includes with our system, yung funnels, yung trainings,
Trainings, yeah.
coaching, and then, aside
Marami
from
pa.
that, yeah.
Marami pa eh.
And this is like a one time, pero yung benefits nito is forever.
Mhm. Yes.
Also, isa din dito is yung meron ka ng sarili mong name.
Mhm.
Included na sa initial investment. So, yung brand mo, isa na din yan. Everything na ngayon kasi nakikita naman natin na nag-revolve na talaga yung panahon, yung world is also changing. So, I'm pretty sure na for like sooner or later, lahat na ngayon, it's almost using technology.
Yeah.
You know? Mga online. Kaya nga, I'm also certain na with this business, it's gonna be my forever business. Kasi,
This is my forever
yeah,
business also.
ito din yung
I know
retirement
there's
na
a lot of
namin.
potential. There's a
Retirement
potential.
na to.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Kasi even like I said, I come from a really big company here in Canada.
Mm.
Retail tong company na I used to work. And even with that, ngayon nahihirapan na nga kami because we have to also open up an online. Mga online na kasi ngayon eh.
Yeah.
So, ang hirap, if you are if you have yung physical store talaga, mahirap kang mag-compete.
Mhm.
Especially with sa Amazon, sa mga ano-ano dyan na mga online shopping. Kasi ngayon, everybody is, I think, I would say, they go for what is easier and convenient na. So, yun, doon na lahat. So, ito yung pinaka-convenience way of doing an online business kasi you don't even have to do much. Parang ganito lang. Like, this is our...
go with the flow. Like,
Yeah.
do whatever you just normally what you do sa bahay.
Yeah.
Kahit maglilinis ka, the business is in the background, is still running in the background. Kahit na, dati ako nurse, okay? And of course,
Ilang oras ka
my
in a
God,
day.
you've been working 12 hours a
Yes.
day and then you
Yes.
can't see the kids mga ganon-ganon. At saka mga back pains, neck pains,
taking a
shoulders
lot of
pain.
tools sa
Oh
health.
God, nasisira yung aking mga, nasistress ako doon. Like, parang, ito mukha ko ngayon. But before I was like that.
Yeah. Ito nga natatakot din ako nito kasi dati parang ang itim na ng mata niya.
Mga eyebag pa ako doon. Mga payat pa ako noon. Like,
Kasi,
healthy na eh. Very, like, it's good talaga. It's a good investment and,
kahit
you know.
for yourself din.
yeah, for yourself, for
So,
your whole family.
yeah.
It's not like for just yourself. The whole family can help also. Make it better.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yun ang namin, nakakaganda.
Kasi
That's
yun
the
yun,
reason
yun
why.
din yung question natin, di ba, minsan. How much are you willing to invest for yourself
Yeah.
and for your family?
Family, yeah.
Especially pag ikaw yung breadwinner, right?
Oh, yeah, sa Philippines. My God.
I mean, like, akalain nyo,
Pag
okay,
meron kang iba, sa Philippines, di ba? Magdadala ka ng pera sa Philippines.
like,
But so far, we don't
how much are you
have that
willing
one.
to work? Like, can you work 24 hours? Parang ikaw naman yung, ano niyan, in the end, yung health mo, yun naman yung,
At saka yung hindi ka maka-travel. Yung mga ganun
wala
ba?
nang travel, nag-work ng 24 hours
Well,
a
like,
day.
minsan pag nag-work ka, like, when nag-working ka ng mga
Hindi
2
ka
hours,
na-enjoy.
hindi ka na-enjoy.
Yeah. Wala kang enjoyment in your
Hindi ka
life.
maka-request ng, I wanna have a time off this and that.
Yeah.
May request ka ba? They have to make sure na ma-approve ka ba o hindi.
Yeah.
Yung mga ganon.
Yun din yung isa, that's one of the biggest, yung pinaka-struggles ko dati when I was still working because I work full-time then.
Ganon din.
And then my position was just me. Walang ibang maka-substitute sa position ko.
Same thing sa nursing too. Like,
So,
as a nurse.
When that time na yung mga anak ko was still little, ngayon malalaki na sila, and then when the school called, kasi nagkasakit yung mga anak mo, you have to pick them up and whatnot. I have to fight my way out sa work kasi,
Yeah.
like,
Priority talaga ba?
Yeah.
Ng mga bata.
yeah.
Yeah.
And that's the thing kasi I understand naman in the concept of yung sa business naman, of course they have to think about the business, right? Yung let's say yung work mo is supposed to be 9 to 5 and then bigla by around 12 noon or 11 tinawagan ka na ng school because you have to pick up your kids because they're not feeling well. Syempre, you're in the middle of your shift. So, yung mangyayari, syempre, you have to fight it, right? Kasi, especially, like I said, especially sa position ko na ako lang, wala akong pwedeng mag-substitute. And then, when I have trainings, may mga tao akong tinitrain, yun yung pinakamahirap sa akin.
Yeah.
And because my husband is also working full-time, and sa kanya din, mas malayo kasi siya. Mas malayo yung work niya. And then, ako yung parang first emergency call sa mga anak ko. And, yun din yung parang naano ko din, na-realize ko na lahat-lahat kasi as a mother din, syempre yung priority natin is our kids.
Yeah.
Right? So, and then,
Marami
our
talaga.
family.
It's mga mommies like
Yeah.
us na join sa mga community. It's not only mommies, daddies also.
Yeah.
And not even younger generation, they also have older generation too. Like, sometimes magre-retire sila, kulang pa yung retirement nila. They can
Yeah.
still maraming mga kaming nag-join ng mga professional, like mga doctors,
Mhm.
mga lawyers. My
Yeah.
God. They've been working hard.
Nurses,
Oh my God.
mga nasa healthcare,
Mhm.
mga nasa mga big corporate before, now that
Ngayon,
yun
nag-enjoy na sila.
yun yung pinaka-uncertain ngayon eh. Anything that's retail stores or big corporation, kahit nga sa amin ngayon, they're cutting down people. So, yun yung pinaka-uncertain na time. So, ngayon yung isipin nyo, like, are you willing to stay
Mhm.
na yung whatever you're doing right now, you don't even know kung makatagal ka dyan or makaretire ka dyan, or what did you, or tanungin nyo, after ng retirement nyo, what do you get?
Mhm.
Meron ba kayong enough na na-save nyo for your retirement? Is it enough ba kahit lang sa sarili nyo ha? Is it enough? Or are you happy? Yun yung mga i-question nyo ngayon sa sarili nyo. Are you happy of what you're doing
Or
right now?
burnout?
Are you happy?
Na-burnout ka ba?
Yeah, are you happy with your job? Or
O maraming
in your
mga
life?
taong they don't like the job.
Yeah,
of course.
maraming dyan na they don't
kasi
like the job
napapagod na eh, di ba?
but they have to do it
Yeah, they
because
have to do
they
it. It's
have
a
to earn
family.
money, right? So,
Yeah.
yun yung mga questions nyo na minsan-minsan tanungin nyo yung sarili nyo.
Mhm.
But if you are given this opportunity, kung meron kayong choice, ano ba yung gagawin nyo?
Ano yung mga backups nyo din?
Oh, so are you either ignore the choices that you have there,
Mm.
or will you jump into the choices that you get? So, yun yung iano nyo. Kasi sa amin din, I did not realize until that time na, yun nga, aside sa na car accident ako and all. Kasi I really thought na, for the past years, I mean, sabi ko nga, my company, my work before, the company itself, it's also good company. Pero yun, doon na kami na parang natatakot nung nag-COVID. Kasi-
lalo na yung sa mga COVID, maraming
Yeah. Kasi we got hit too, big time. And parang up to date, may 4 na stores ngayon sa yung company ko dati na na-close. So, yung mga ganyan ba? Like, yun yung din na hindi mo din yun control eh.
Yeah.
Hindi mo control kasi it's not your business. So, parang ano ka lang, employee ka lang doon. So, yun yung iano nyo, isipin nyo. One thing is also, iano nyo din na kung ano ba, like, ilang taon ka na ngayon, what are you thinking in the next 5 years? Where do you see yourself for the next 5 years? Kasi kami, for sure, for the next 5 years, wala na. Retired na kami. I mean, nakikita na
assuming
nga
mga mag-retired
3 years from now.
Yeah, 3
Ay,
years.
pre-retire kami. So,
maaga.
Mhm.
Ang mga hihintay nyo pa ba ng mag-60, 70,
Yeah.
mag-retired? Like, can you imagine that? Like,
so by the
you should
time
be-
naman na,
you should be enjoying by now.
exactly.
Yeah.
You have to balance life talaga.
Balance ng life.
In everything, you have to balance. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Balance nyo yung, ano ba yung gusto nyo talaga sa self nyo. Mag 2025 na po tayo. Malapit nang matapos
Yeah.
yung 2024.
Few more days, New Year na.
Yeah, so you think about it. Ano bang nangyari sa inyo this year? What did you gain? What did you achieve? Ano bang reward na nabigay nyo sa sarili nyo this year?
Yeah.
So if you think about it, kung wala kayo para sa inyo, ay wala akong choice kasi kaya ganito ganyan. In life po, meron tayong mga choices. Ang dami po dyan. The problem ng kasi minsan, do we look at the choices or do we even bother the choices na nasa harap nyo?
Yeah.
So, wag nyo pong anoin. Wag nyo i-shut down yung door in anything. Yun yung mga ano namin. Kami legit po kami. We are ordinary people din na may pamilya din kami. May mga problema din kami.
May struggles, yes.
May struggles kami in life. We had faced na
Ups and
ganon
downs
din.
life.
Now we have to work 2 jobs, 40 hours a week per job. Minsan, ano na nga, overtime, lagi. Dumaan din kami sa mga ganyan.
Yeah, dati ako
Ah.
kahit tatlo-tatlo yung ano ko nun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
So,
Kahit yung
and then
my
in the end of the,
caregiver, my nurses, may
after
basta lang.
ilang months, nagkasakit na kami. Dumaan din kami sa mga ganyan po.
Mhm.
We have to juggle our job, our family, our kids' time, and dumaan din ako dumaan ako sa my second child na hindi ko nga siya nakita nung mga first walk, first crawl, mga ganyan kasi